Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and set up a VPN on your iPhone. VPNs are super important for online security and privacy, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get one running on your iOS device. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. So, what are we going to cover? First, I'll explain why you might want to use a VPN on your iPhone. Then, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing a VPN app from the App Store. Finally, we'll go over how to configure the VPN and connect to a server. Let's get started. Transition to screen recording of iPhone. Okay, so the first thing you might be wondering is, why do I even need a VPN on my iPhone? Well, a VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet traffic, making it much harder for hackers to snoop on your online activity. It also masks your IP address, which helps protect your privacy and location. This is especially useful when you're using public Wi-Fi at coffee shops, airports, or anywhere else. Now, let's download a VPN app. Open up the App Store. Typing in search bar. In the search bar, type VPN. You'll see a bunch of options pop up. There are both free and paid VPNs available. For this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate using name of a VPN app, e.g., NordVPN, ExpressVPN, ProtonVPN. Keep in mind, free VPNs can sometimes have limitations, like slower speeds or data caps, so consider a paid option for better performance and security if you need it. Tap on the chosen VPN app. Okay, once you've found VPN name, tap on it. Now, tap the Get button to download the app. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to confirm the download. Wait for download to complete, then tap Open. Alright, the app is downloaded. Now, let's tap Open to launch the VPN app. Walk through the VPN app's initial setup. This will vary depending on the VPN app chosen. Okay, so when you first open the app, you'll likely be greeted with a welcome screen or a request to create an account or sign in. If you're using a paid VPN, make sure you've already signed up for a subscription on their website before signing in here. For VPN name, I'm going to explain the initial setup process, e.g., tap Create Account, and enter my email and password. After creating an account or logging in, navigate to the VPN connection screen. Now you'll probably see a big button that says something like Connect, Quick Connect, or Start VPN. Before we connect, let's take a quick look at the server locations. Show how to choose a server location. Tap on the Server Location option. Here, you'll see a list of countries and cities where the VPN has servers. Connecting to a server closer to your actual location will usually give you the best speeds. However, if you want to appear to be in a different country for any reason, you can choose a server there. I'm going to choose specific server location, e.g., a server in the United States. Tap on the chosen server location and then tap the Connect button. Okay, now that I've chosen my server location, I'm going to tap Connect. Your iPhone will likely ask for permission to add a VPN configuration. Tap Allow. You might need to enter your passcode or use Touch ID or Face ID to authorize the connection. Wait for the VPN to connect. You should see a VPN icon appear in the status bar at the top of your screen. This indicates that the VPN is active and your internet traffic is now encrypted. Show how to disconnect the VPN. To disconnect, simply open the VPN app again and tap the Disconnect button. The VPN icon in the status bar will disappear, indicating that you are no longer connected. Transition back to face-to-camera view. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and configured a VPN on your iPhone. It's a really simple process that can significantly improve your online security and privacy. Remember to disconnect your VPN when you don't need it to conserve battery life. And always be sure to do your research and choose a reputable VPN provider. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.